What is car insurance and why do you need it? Car insurance is a financial protection for your vehicle. It helps cover expenses in case of accidents, theft, or damage. Instead of paying for everything yourself, your insurance takes care of the big costs. This way, you can drive with peace of mind knowing you're protected. Car insurance is more than just a requirement. It's your safety net. When accidents happen, insurance covers repairs, medical bills, or even the replacement of your vehicle. It's designed to protect not only you, but also others on the road. With the right coverage, you can focus on driving while your insurance takes care of the rest. Do you know what car insurance really does? It protects you financially when the unexpected happens, like accidents, collisions, or theft. Instead of draining your savings, insurance helps pay for damages and medical costs. It's not just about following the law, it's about driving with confidence and peace of mind.